客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个月呢就是奥运时间了耶。How do you say sports?
运通。
运通, because we're talking about the Olympics this month. And you know, badminton is Taiwan's strong suit, so the athletes really work hard for Formosa. Let's teach you how to say that. 我们的教育句哦，羽毛球是台湾强项运动之一，选手们在赛场上为 Formosa 打拼。
羽毛球是台湾当强嘅运通项目之一，也有选手在比赛场上比 Formosa 3万兵。
3万兵打拼吗？
对呀，认真打拼。
Okay, that means to work hard for the team, you know. And the sports we're talking about is badminton. 羽毛球刚刚怎么说？
羽毛球。
羽毛球 Okay, that's badminton. 然后它是个强项运动。
当强嘅运通。
运通 we taught you, right? That's sports. 当强嘅 that means a strong one. 那今年的奥林匹克运动会在巴黎举行。
今年嘅奥林匹克运通会。
今年嘅奧林匹克運動會
在巴黎舉行。
在巴黎舉行 Okay, 舉行 means 舉辦咯。Okay, that means to be held at, and then Bali is Paris, and Olympique 就是 Olympics 的意思啊，对不对？都是这样直译的。All right, 我们要好好为台湾的选手来加油。我们来复习几个单词好了，包括这个羽毛球。
羽毛球
that's badminton, and then a sports competition 运动会
运通会
and there you have it. Go, 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 go Taiwan. Thank you for listening to Practical Hakka.
什么大家
单词say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.